Uh, of course, class, no, in terms of contribution, no, civic contribution, grabe kay nabuha si Rizal, no, language study, art creation, and the Pitan, event beautification. So, daghan na mention, no. Then next is Rizal as a farmer. So, grabe din yung Rizal, no, so, grabe ka multi-talented farmer, businessman, and inventor. In his 16 hectares of land in the Pitan, he established his own house, hospital, and school. So planted cacao, coffee, sugarcane, coconut, and different fruit-bearing trees. He shared his capital in the selling of fish, copra, and abaca. So, of course, iyang gikuan so nakikusa siya sa iyang mga kauban ng mga farmer. Now, the question is, sir, ngalong to sir, na-confiscate na tong land nilang ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Siguro, class, dili pa gito tuwiran, no, nga na-confiscate yun. But, because it was never accounted in the book, nga nahurot dito, no, there are mga threats to confiscate all the land na gikuan sa gipanag-iya sa mga Rizal, but during that time naapa na siya lang mga kamot na wapagid totally na na-confiscate. So he invented a cigarette box, no, nga, and he offered that one to his friend Blumentritt. He also invented a machine for the production of ladrillo. I don't know, I am not very certain about ladrillo, but this is something also very precious siguro. Causes of the problem. So first, he published books and articles in other countries that criticized the mother, Spain. He made criticism on Catholicism and the Spanish friars. So iya yung gidirekta, no? Iya yung gipikhan. Second, some prohibited reading materials like the Pobres Frailes were found in his baggage. So third, he offered his novels El Filibusterismo to the three first martyrs named Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora. So with this, it's very obvious, no, nga si Rizal is isog jud, no, nga pagbatok gid siya, no, to liberate the Filipino people through his pen, through his writings. Effects of the problem. So Rizal was being exiled in the Pitan. Why? Because all of those mga na-confiscate, because all of those mga uh, kana pang blasphemous kaayo nga mga kuan, no, nga makauwaw kaayo, no, nga mga tira ni Rizal, no, towards sa mga friars. So he was exiled to the Pitan because of the confiscated reading material. The La Liga Filipinas purposes, so to establish unity with the town officials in the introduction of new reforms to the government. Kanino, new reforms to the government. Kung sa man siya, they aim, no, somehow it can be changed, no, somehow it can be an instrument, no, for the Spanish people to change their system. O dili man gani, of course they themselves would establish their own government. So mo tong pamahalaang revolusyonaryo as follows: to unite the Filipino people across the archipelago through strong solidarity, pagmamahal sa bayan. Of course, they have to be united, homogeneous, to help one another in time of exigencies. Of course, if there are time of mga kalisdanan, of course, in times of panagdaog, they have to be united to defend the Filipino people in a form of crime or injustice and to develop their living condition to farming, commerce, and industry. Because as per observation, during atong time, luoy kay no ang mga tao to wa katungod malambok because ang nanguan sa una, ang nidato og samot sa una, kato na po mga praile. Luoy kay ni ang mga ordinaryo nga mga tenants. So diha jud no na experience nila kanang gitawag natin injustice. And farming, they will be benefited in the aspect of commerce. Of course, they actually ilang katawan og dagko kay nga taxes. In the aspect of industry, grabe po kayo, no, ang competition. So very wrong kayo. Now they exerted so much effort on it, but the return profit to the people who are exerting effort is nothing. Okay? So conclusion, Rizal's homecoming plays a significant role in the lives of the Filipinos. His writing serves as a valuable weapon for us to gain freedom. Jose Rizal didn't give up in fighting for our native land. So realizing the sacrifices that he had gone through as a Filipino, we must show our love and respect to our country. Rizal's principle was so tough that he fight for his right and he fight for the sake of the Philippines, knowing that it would lead danger to his life. So I hope you have learned something, Cosmo, because kuan kini Cosmo, grabe kayo ni siya impact sa tong life. And even me as an instructor, of course, from time to time, though there are lots of learning that I have during to my uh, during my previous opportunity to teach the subject Rizal, but right now na po ko nakatuna na po na bago, no? Because from different accounts lain-lain man og mga kuan mga information. But as far as my knowledge is concerned, na po mga similarity. Somehow na alam mga napuno, no? So I hope you have learned something with my discussion, no? Thank you so much. Have a great noon.